At the moment I am developing a test circuit for MOSFETs here and small signal FETs, field effect transistors. And my idea was to make a relaxation oscillator in which these small FETs, field effect transistors, and the more bigger FETs could work. The MOSFETs have the property that from its gate to ground there is sometimes, or more or less, a capacitive element from, say, 4000 picofarad. So that's something to take in account when you want to make a tester. This is my first idea to make such a test circuit, a relaxation oscillator with two coils, a primary and a secondary. We connect the secondary in the right phase to the gate from the test transistor, the test field effect transistor or the test MOSFET, and then when it's all good it starts to oscillate. But this is only a first test, and I want especially show all the flaws and problems. In the first place, you see here that field effect transistor, and when I touch that field effect transistor you can see that the oscillation stops, diminishes, and we get all kinds of oscillations. I now cover it with my hand, and that has all to do with the properties from the field effect transistor. The capacitance at the input is extremely high, and with your hand you add capacitance and resistance to the input, to the gate, and that also means that the frequency goes down from the oscillator. Completely normal according to the laws from the electronics physics. And why I see so many sub-resonances, I can't explain that to it anyway. In fact, it's a good first start to make a transistor tester, field effect transistor tester and MOSFET tester, but there's a long way to go. So I hope to publish in the future a properly working, simple field effect transistor and MOSFET tester with the help of an oscillator. Of course, because when your MOSFET or your field effect transistor oscillates, you can be absolutely sure that it is okay.